If you are a consultant, such as doctor, a lawyer, an interior designer, educator, financial advisor, or a real estate consultant, when prospects search for an expert like you on social media, what details do they need to know about you? From a long list of profiles, how will they know how good you are? What sets you apart? And most importantly, why do your existing clients prefer your services? What if your social media page had a series of engaging videos that narrates everything your prospect need to know? Videos that explain the visual walkthrough of your process, your approach, key milestones, case studies, testimonials, even your personal self. And that's going to elevate you to the top 1% consultants on social media. We are Team Arabio, a content factory. We offer a turnkey solution for all your content needs. If you don't have your content, our technical writers will handle it. If you're camera shy, we'll train you. All you have to do is to book a day with us and you can create to 10 videos. Catch? You serve only one client per second.